So, interesado ka mag-start ng magbasa or mag-read pero hindi mo alam kung paano or sa kung anong pamang dahilan. Naranasan mo na bang magbasa at yung impression is, ang boring naman ito o tinatamad ka lang o naggala ka lang ng motivation kaya ayaw mo magbasa. Sinasabi ko sa iyo reading is one of the most important self-improvement habits na hindi mo ina-apply sa buhay mo already if hindi mo pa nga ina-apply. Nagsimula ako magbasa mga 2020 to 2021 dati. Hindi ko na maalala ang lahat ng mga librong nabasa ko sa 4 na taong yun. So, naalala ko pa yung una kong libro actually. Yung una kong libro ay yung 12 Rules for Life ni Jordan Peterson. Ngayon ay pinabasa ko pa rin siya. Naniniwala akong yung first book mo talaga yung hahatak sa'yo sa parang rabbit hole na to. Yeah, expect by the end of this video meron ka ng idea about kung paano magbasa, ano yung mga benefits nito, at paano maging consistent at yung mga biggest mistake ko pagdating sa habit na ito. So, sa video na to, mag-focus muna ako sa kung paano ba mag-start na magbasa kasi I believe that taking action is the most important part of self-improvement, and part of self-improvement is reading. So lahat ng bagay kailangan may action tayo kasi hindi natin yun ma-internalize kapag hindi natin siya ina-apply, di ba? Pero kung interesado ka, panoorin mo yung full video sa description box where I talk about besides sa mismong action kung paano mag-take action sa pagbabasa, how I approach it, then kung nilalagay yung mga tips ko yung my biggest mistakes, and I just talk about reading because I love talking about reading kasi I love reading. And of course, free yung self-improvement course na yun. Pero ngayon, let's talk about ano ba mag-start magbasa as a complete beginner. Kasi isipan ko tanggoyin yung video na to kasi naalala ko nahirapan ako mag-start nung nag-uumpisa pa na ako, parang may friction na pumipigil sa akin na i-pursue yung habit na to. Kasi nga, yun nga yung impression nyo, ang boring. Okay, so the actionable step, if you're looking for this video, of course, you can think for yourself. Ako, kailangan ko tong video na to nung nag-uumpisa pa na ako kasi wala talagang nagpo-push sa akin na gawin tong habit na to. The actionable step is for you to choose a book. Take a look kung saan ka interesado. I was interested in what I'm talking about here, self-improvement. So, ayun nga yung genre na binibasa ko, which I also recommend na yun din yung una mong babasahin. Bakit? Kasi yung self-help, yung mga educational books na pwede mo ma-i-apply, practice sa life mo. I mean, pwede mo din naman siya i-apply yung mga novels, diba? Pero hindi yung intended purpose nun kasi yung purpose niya is to entertain. Pero itong mga self-improvement books, educational books, yung intended purpose niya is to i-apply mo yung knowledge na yun. At kung gusto mo yung entertainment, ang daming entertainment options dito, pero wag na naman pa sa nag-i-pro pag yun pala yung intention mo, di ba? Yung maging entertained ka. I mean, social media, video games, etc. Ikaw bahala at the end of the day. So that was a side point, but the main point here is to figure out what you like. That is step 1. Step 2, so look for books about the topic. So it's as simple as a quick Google search, diba? Wag mo nang bigayan lahat ng oras mo sa pagpipila. Generally, yung mga nire-recommend, yun yung mga bestsellers at yung mga best reviewed. So pumili ka ng around 3 to 5 at pumili ka kahit isa lang. Yun na, mga recommendations ko is nga, How to Influence and Influence People. Yun yung mga nabasa ko na Psycho-Cybernetics, 12 Rules for Life, Atomic Habits, sa yung Power of Now, the 4-Hour Work Week, Deep Work by Cal Newport, .com Secrets. The number 3 is you should decide what you will read. Mas maganda kapag meron kang hard copy. Okay? Yung mahawakan na talaga. Personal experience, mas ma-appreciate mo talaga kapag nahawakan mo yung libro yung tangible siya. Yung audiobook o yung binabasa mo lang sa screen, may risk ka na magiging distracted ka. I'm sorry if parang sobrang red ng background, bagong room to. Ang ina-adjust ko pa yung lighting. Unless kung yun nga, super disciplined ka, okay, you can read from your screen. Okay, you can read on your screen, whatever works for you. Pero I'm telling generally, hard copy, having something that you can touch because your senses are more engaged, your sense of touch, your sense of sight, you can smell the book, you can like hear the actual book, diba? If your senses are more engaged, I tend to find myself na magiging mas focus ako kapag yung senses mo engaged. So what are your senses? The sense of touch, the sense of smell, the sense of taste, of course. Pero kung hindi mo kaya yung makuha yung hard copy, whatever. So, na-emphasize ko lang dito na start action now. Start taking action. Ay, pero of course, order mo na yung libro kapag wala pa. Add to cart mo lang. Check mo yung description box kasi may recommend ako ng mga sites na kung saan ako nagda-download ng mga online books para ayun nga, ito paano mababasa ko yung mga libro na gustong gusto ko talaga pero hindi ko afford. Last and final step, of course, kaya may copy na ka. Of course, kaya may copy ka na, of course, just read, set a timer. Kung nagsa-start ka pa lang, kahit 5 minutes, okay na yun. At kung nagustuhan mo yung libro, minsan nalagpas ka pa dyan. If nagustuhan mo yung libro, check mo yung table of contents at pumunta ka sa chapter na pag gusto mo talaga. Hindi naman yan required. Sino ba may sabi na kailangan mo i-read from start to finish, di ba? Check the chapter. For example, ito, yun, contents, table of contents. Saka check mo na yung gustuhan mo dyan. Pag gusto mo lang na basahin tong chapter na to, how to make people like you instantly. Of course, kasi kung hindi mo naman interest yung the safety valve and handling complaints, hindi ka interesado sa topic na yan, huwag mo na munang basahin. Skip ka directly sa chapter na gusto mo. Kaya masahin yung table of contents kapag yun yung nagsastop sa'yo, diba? So, basta make sure every single day, just try your best to give yourself time to read. Kahit madili lang, at least you had intention to improve. That's the most important step, okay? Is to start reading. So, how to stay consistent? So, how do I stay consistent on my own reading practice? So, yun lang. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, comment your thoughts, ask questions, whatever. I hope na tulungan mo dito sa journey na to. I want to continue making videos and spread the message of self-improvement to young guys, everybody, kung sino ka man. I seriously think na ito yung tamang path para sa ating mga binata pa lang, para sa ating mga, young adults, young men. And that's all. God bless.